It's the next beautiful Sunday morning to give Father God thanks and praise for. We're up and we're in it, and from within it we have to give Father God thanks and praise. You don't know, we have life, we have eyesight, we hand and feet is moving, everything is on us, is accurate and moving, right guys? We need to give him the glory, you understand me? You don't know, we all go through our struggle and we all go through, you know, lively things. So with everything, the pressure, we have to just go and hold the fort, give Father God the glory. Same way, because you don't know, we survive a next night into a next beautiful morning. You understand? A lot of person did not make it. And again, me I tell you, guys, trouble don't set like rain, you understand? Trouble is like a glass right at the head of the table. As soon as it shake, it drop and mash. Guys, remember, trouble don't have no direction. You see me? It don't have no navigation. And it don't have no time, guys. Trouble have no time. That nigga or that person or whatever, it appear anytime. So it's mean saying you have to always looking out. You understand? Because looking out is very important. Plan A and plan B, very important. Walk away. Alright, walk away. Two person can't fight, two person can't war. You just take on yourself, be the big person. Them no better than you, and they no madder than you, but just walk away. So I say, avoid it at all costs. Especially when you have your youth, them to live far, and you have friends and family that is depending on you. Because sometimes you may not know that some people is dependent on you, even for a laugh, because you know some people can't make you laugh, you understand? And then you have that person there where bring that joy, you know, that bring up the laugh out in you, because some people serious, you know, which part them not even grin, you know, you understand? I have some man can go around them, you know, which part pop some joke, you know, which part, yo, you see all them jack on the teeth, you know, you understand me? So everybody have a role to play, guys, and play your card right. So I say, trust in Father God. You know what I say, no, and give him the glory. Eat that, man. Blessed. Have a great Sunday. And as always, you don't know, pray for the youth them. Keep the youth them in a prayer. Because you don't know the demonic spirit them out there is lurking. Ready to snatch them up at any time, guys. So you know, with everything, we have to just go on. Give him the glory. You understand me? That's why I say a lot of people don't make it. And we are here. So here we are, you know, spread the love and the joy. Stay blessed, stay positive all the time. You know, at time we are human and we all have time. But try to be more positive at all costs and all time. Have a great Sunday. Wow. We're here. I am out of here. Blessed.